a Chicago classic reimagined, a modern marvel in Chicago's skyline. Illinois Bell Building. Chicago landmark Building 225 West Randolph. Designed by SCB. Rebuilt for the future by Onni Group. Introducing Skyfold Zenith Premium 55. No structural steel was required. Skyfold hardware was anchored directly to the concrete slab. Clever coordination avoided existing W21 beams and MEP, preserving ceiling height and clean design. Transform your space at the push of a button. Flexible, quiet, beautiful. Installed by Modernfold Chicago, leaders in flexible space design. Historic roots, modern possibilities. See what Skyfold can do for your space. Contact modernfoldchicago.com.